Open e-browser. Enter the IPC's web interface. Key in the username and password. Here you can find the default tab. Choose either of the two default modes. IPC will reboot after restoring. Done. Please note that some IPCs have reset button. It is designed for recovering to factory default as well.